One, Chef Quincy in the building again with another cooking. So today, you know, we are cooking some red pea soup. Yeah man, check out my red pea soup over here. See it? Check it out. Yeah man, looking good.
So what you have in there so far?
We're cooking some beef bone right here. We have some beef, we got some corn. And right here, so we got some pumpkin here, we got some carrots, we also got some white potato right here. Also over here, we got some cocoa, Jamaican thing. See, we got some fish right here. This is some fish head. We got some trims. Also, I'm gonna add to the soup. Okay. Come on. Yes, people. Now I'm gonna add I got some pumpkin right here. Gonna put in my soup, and I got some potatoes and some carrot here. So I'm gonna go ahead and add all this to my soup. Okay, check it out. Yes, people, looking good. Yeah. So right here, so I'm gonna make some dumpling for my soup. So I'm gonna go ahead and start to knead my flour. So first, I gotta put in a little bit of salt. Just a little bit like that. Now I'm gonna add some water. A little bit, so I'll knead in my flour right here. Just a little more. Looking good. So now I'm going to go ahead and add them to my soup, just like this. That. Just like this. Okay. So now I'm going to add my fish to my soup. So right here I got some fish head and I got some trims right here. So now I'm going to go ahead and add it to the soup. Yes, people, looking good. Okay, people, check out my red pea soup right here. Okay. So now I'm gonna go ahead and season up my soup right now. I got 2-cup soup right here. So I'm gonna go ahead and add my 2-cup soup. Okay. Like that. Yeah, looking good. So mix it in. Yeah, just like that. Just gotta stir it in. Get that flavor, that nice taste. Right here I got some seasoning. So right here I got some thyme, I got some scallion, and I got some red onion right here, and I also got a scotch bonnet, and I add some, right here I got some rosemary right here. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and add my vegetable. thyme, my rosemary. I'll add my I'll go ahead and get a stir. Just like that. Okay people, look at the soup. Finished cook, looking good. So now I'm gonna go ahead and make myself a plate. Okay.
Okay guys, we are back again with another episode. We have been cooking and we are finally at the finish line. Everything is good and we make some delicious red pea soup. Chef Quincy hooked it up today.
Very
and
nice.
It's right here. Guys, take a look at it.
Looking delicious.
We have two dishes over here with delicious red pea soup. So Quincy, you wanna go ahead and tell them what you got in your soup?
Okay. So in this soup, I have some of corn right here, and I got dumpling in my soup. I got fish head, I got shrimps, and I also have some carrot in the soup. Okay, delicious, looking good.
Okay guys, so there you have it. The soup is looking good.
Yeah.
So without no further ado, we're gonna go ahead and try some food. It's fresh off the stove, it's hot. Yeah, it's good.
Yeah, this thing nice. Yeah.
Like always guys, we have to have a little mukbang at the end of the video. And this is delicious. You guys need to try this soup.
Very nice. Look at this soup, guys. Very nice.
Red peas soup. Delicious. Try some? Are you here to test some soup? Sure? Or are you over here to try some soup?
So okay guys, remember, subscribe, like, share,
And subscribe.
share.
And comment. And share.
Blakewrtv, something delicious is always cooking. Thank you for watching.